What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? How you all doing? Hope you guys are good. So, welcome to today's session. You know, we've had a very, very, very awesome NFP yesterday. We've had a good NFP yesterday, guys. So, yeah, welcome to you all to this live stream. So, we're about to get things started. All right. So, hope some of you all enjoyed our NFP yesterday. So, let's see what is gonna happen. Okay, guys. Yeah. Welcome and welcome and welcome and welcome and welcome. So overall, that was a good NFP trade yesterday, right? So lots of you that were here, you were able to catch that trade live and direct. So that's awesome. And we are here again. Though today, guys, so you all see that we took 70 pips yesterday, and from there, the market has been pushing to the upside right now. Went back up for a retracement and all of that. So right now we'll see if we are going to be selling or buying today. It depends on what we see in the market, right? Remember, we always do analysis before I execute any trade. We always do analysis. So let me go down and see what you guys are saying in the chat section. I was just deliberating whether to trade today or not. Okay, that's Murphy. Morning ITT, morning. Musa Ibrahim Gulaza. This one is my travel name though. This person must be from my village, Gulaza. All right. Good morning, ITT. You welcome. You welcome. So yeah, we're gonna be checking currency pairs, guys, and because we did not trade any of those things yesterday. Okay. Um, you know, I'm always on my phone because I need to be checking what's going on and all of that, right? All right. So this is GBP USD. Let me go down and check Euro USD. But before that, let me go and check fundamentals. Today we are having this thing in US, right? But let me just check because normally whenever I'm trading, I have to check my economic calendar. CHF, nah, that's not going to impact the market. Okay, by 9 o'clock we're having this Euro news, then card news. Okay, there's nothing happening today, guys. Nothing. You all see Independence Day, right? So okay, we might trade and we might not trade. So um, let me just see this. What is happening here? The same thing. Bank holiday. Not news, guys. Nothing is happening today. So yeah. the market is going to be misbehaving in the sense that there'll be less volatility in the market, right? Less liquidity rather, which will make the market not to move. Okay, so this is this. So yeah, we are back inside this range on Euro USD. Man, a lot of things is going to happen. But what I'm seeing now is that seems GBP USD trade is going to be nice, right? So we are going to be in London session in the next 35 minutes. We'll be in London session. So it's so important for us to be like checking all these things and all of that. So it's very, very important. All right. So we have to also start with our fundamentals, go down to technicals. Then, of course, if there is sentimental stuff, you just check it out as well. It's very important for you to be checking all these things, right? Very, very important. So yeah, we'll go back down to GBP USD, I guess. Let me go back down and check GBP USD to know what's happening there. I have to go down to GBP USD to know what's happening there. So you all this was my first trade of the week. Then second trade, though this one did not come down all the way to this point at his final take profit, but we took 70 pips. If you all traded with me live yesterday during NFP, you all remember that we took 70 pips, right? Which I told you guys that 70 pips profit taken on GBP USD. So that's that. So I'm going to get rid of this to see the market clearly. Okay, so and I'm going to get rid of this writing as well so that it will not be confusing us. Okay, so the market right now came back up for a retracement. So is at this structure right now, which is a retracement, right? So we will see if I see rejections at this side, then here, if I see good rejections, candlestick patterns and all of that, then I might decide to get in for a sell. Other than that, man, I'm not going to buy this. But, this is going to be selling, guys, because of this level here. The market was pushing to the downside. So right now, I might even sell at the moment. I might even sell. Let me take my short position. So I'm trying to get ready for a sell. Let me see. This will be a good sell actually. So I'm not going to be buying this. Nah, I'm not interested in buying. Instead, I'm going to be selling. This will give us a good move to the downside. So guys, I'm going to be selling this GBP USD right now. Because, right from yesterday, we sold it here. The market, retrace back to this zone again. So we can decide to wait for more reactions. We can decide to wait for more reactions, but the market push down here, then try to retrace back to this structure again. So even if you take your fib retracement on the 1 hour time frame, you will see that this should be at our 61% thereabout. Let me see. Is at 50% already, of which it's a good sign for us to, like, continue the trend and all of that. But there's something it's not lacking though, because on this 1 hour time frame we have this candlestick pattern. So we have this very candlestick. You all can see this. That's a sign for a sell, right? That candlestick pattern, it's already at our resistance area. This line you see here is my resistance, because this is a previous support level that supported the market to the upside. So now the market will react to it and push to the downside. That's what is going to happen here. So that's why I told you guys that this is a good sign for us to get in for a sell and all of that. So we can decide to wait for London session open, and if you want to ignore this particular candlestick, of which I'm not even trying to ignore it and all of that, we can decide to get in right now and all of that. So, but let's see what is going to happen now in the next. Okay, we have another 30-minute candle open, right? 30-minute candle just opened. So you can see the previous candle closed as an indecisive candle, which means we can either go up or go down. So in this case, I'm seeing that we're going to go down, guys. We're going to go down on this. So yeah, right now I'm about to sell GBP USD. I'm about to say how many position. Okay. So let me go down to my second account. I want to sell GBP USD, guys. Hope you all know I sold it. So yeah, I'm trading prop firm. If you all know, I told you guys, right, that I'm trading prop firm. So prop firm is the best way to go, guys, if you know how to trade. But if you don't know how to trade, nah, prop firm is not the best. So I just sold, guys. I sold and I sold. See where I got in. Let me show you all. See my entry point. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? The market is pushing right now. So I sold. Let me update my premium members so they can at price 1.36770. That's my entry point. 1.36770. That's my entry point. So from next week henceforth, we might not actually share the same trade, but for now, let me just be sharing it with everybody. Okay, guys, so the market is pushing right now. Let me see. What am I doing? Man, that's not what I'm trying to do. What is all this? I'm trying to update something, guys, but it's misbehaving. Come on, man. We have a lot of things in your phone, yeah. You tend to look out for what you want to do, but you can't do it. So, guys, I sold GBP USD around price 1.36770. That's my entry point, guys. So yeah, I'm in a sell. Let me go down and check and update the analysis. So this is 1 hour time frame. You know what's up, man. You know what's up. This is Israel. So go in with your full chest, man. No need to be scared, guys. If it's a stop loss hit, that's it. But if it's a final take profit hit, that's it. So whichever way, you should be happy. So entry point is 1.36770. 1.36770. That's the entry point. So stop loss, we have 40 pips stop loss here. Yep, 40 pips stop loss. So I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to be greedy. 114 pips. Nah, 100 pips is okay for me. So that's going to be giving me 1 to 2.5. 1 to 2.5 risk to ratio. That's okay for me. So we're gonna be seeing what is happening, right? Okay. So this is this GBP USD sell. Entry point is let me do something from here, expecting the market to push down. So my target area is this. That's the target point, right? That's the target point. Already I'm 5 pips in profit. 5 pips in profit already. You all can see that. 5 pips in profit. And what else? Okay, let me write out the stop loss and take profit. So I'll go down to maybe 30 minutes and do that, or 15 minutes. Yep. So I think it will be more clearer on 15 minutes to be more clearer. So yeah, let me write it out. Where is my text? Okay. So GBP USD sell sold at 1.36770. Stop loss is 1 point what? What is my stop loss? 1.37. Nah, I don't want to put another text. 1.37170, which is equals to 40 pips. Then TP is what? 1.3. 5766, which is equals to 100 pips. Then what else? So let me just say this is 1 to 2.5 our trade. All right, so this is this, and yep, that is just it, guys. That is just it. So you have the parameters right there, so you know how much you're going to be risking on your account if you are in this trade, so that you will not be just blindly following us and all of that. So you know how much you're going to be losing if you should, in case this trade hit stop loss. Yep. So this is how you trade. So now it's time for us to monitor this trade. Remember, this is 15 minutes time frame. So for those of you that are just joining us, welcome. Make sure you give this video, thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. It's very important. That's how you all can encourage us to be coming here live and direct. But if you don't want us to be trading with you, it's still acceptable, and I can go ahead and be trading myself, right? So whichever way, I will still be trading. It takes away nothing from me. All right. So what is Euro USD going to be doing? Euro USD is supposed to be selling as well. I said it. It's going to be selling as well, guys. But we are in GBP USD, not Euro USD. Anyways, it's going to be selling as well. So if you want to be trading Euro USD, you can sell and place your stop loss above. Let me check something first. on this Euro USD. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? What am I looking for? Okay, this is what I'm looking for. My short position. Let's see how many pips is this going to be. Target point is going to be giving me like 60 pips. Nah, 58 pips. So 58 pips. Stop loss supposed to be above this. Nah, this trade doesn't worth it. Nah, 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 nah. Risk to wise, the trade doesn't worth it, right? So maybe, nah, it's better to go down on GBP USD. So that's why I'm trading GU, because the risk reward aspect of it, it's quite okay on GU compared to EU. Talking about right now though, right now. All right. So yeah, I'm in a sell, guys. I'm in a sell. I'm in a sell. Officially in a sell. So time to monitor the market and see what is going to be happening. Like I said, whatever happens, happens, man. Whatever happens, happens. Remember, today is US independence, so the market might not actually move the way we expect it. Okay. I'm trying to send this straight to my friend. Okay, 1.37170. That's the stop loss, final TP. So yeah, if you all are in this trade, you let me know. 1.35766. Okay. So let me update my members, or let me just snap it and send. Anyone, I can decide to snap it, I can decide to type it out, right? Typing will take me time, guys, so let me just snap it first. Yep, I think that will make sense. So like I told you guys earlier, that whatever happens, happens. So for the fact that you all have stop loss and take profit, you shouldn't bother about anything, in the sense that you all are going to be risk tolerant. You all are going to be risk tolerant. So All right, so that's it. I think I've updated them. We'll see what is going to happen on this trade. All right, guys. So yeah, time to just monitor this trade now. I think I'm done with updating them. Yeah, I think I'm done with that. So we have another next 15 minutes candle. We just came up, and we are 15 minutes away from London session. 15 minutes away from London session. We'll see what London session have for us. But definitely, I'm not expecting the market to push the London session based on there's no news, guys. So no news, no news, no nothing. So let's see. Euro, because of correlation factor, can actually push GU. So that's one of the reasons why we are in this trade. So I'm expecting DXY to be, to continue to be strong for now. Not long time actually, not long time, but for now. All right. KNFX Academy is saying good morning, ITT. Good morning. Hope you good. Hope you good. Hope you good. Yeah. So we are in this trade, GBP USD. All right. Let's see what is gonna be going to be happening, guys. So yeah, if you have any particular currency pair that you want me to check out for you, you can just say that. And if you have any question, you can as well ask. That's one of the reasons why I come here live so that I answer some of you guys' question and it's very important. Very, very important. So yeah. Just waiting on what is going to happen on GU. So all of us are in this trade. I don't know if you guys are in it though, but I'm in the trade. So if you are in, you know, you let us know. In the meantime, let's just be monitoring what is happening, guys. Today is US independence. I kept on emphasizing on that because you know some of you guys don't actually check out um, fundamentals, right? That's why I used to update you guys about fundamentals, so you all are updated whatever that is happening in the market and all of that. It's so important. Yeah. Still in this trade, guys. I'm still holding it. If I'm not in it, I will tell you guys. But right now, I'm still in the trade. Still in it. This can even turn out to be a swing trade, but let's see. Let me even show you guys. You all can see it. I'm in the trade. You can see my entry point right there. You can see it. So I'm in the trade. Not that I'm not in it. All of us are in this, yeah. In fact, this is even a good entry point compared to yesterday. This is a good entry point compared to yesterday. But still, not everybody, you know, took that trade yesterday and of which I understand though. Some people might was skeptical, like Israel, is this going to be selling or no? Because that was NFP, right? So I get it. I get it. I get it. It's all good, man. It's all good. You shouldn't be expecting everybody to take your trade completely and all. Some will take it, some won't take it, and stuff like that, guys. Stuff like that. The only thing is, you just have to know what you are doing. That is just it. You just have to know what you are doing. So let's see. Who is that? All right. Okay, okay, okay. U.S. independence. Yeah, hello to you as well. You're saying hi, say hello. Who this person is? That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. So we are just monitoring this trade, guys. Like, there's nothing to say. Just monitoring my trade. That's it, of course. Okay. Don't be scared, man. Don't be scared. Okay, somebody is saying, how do you analyze the news with my FX book? There's a lot of way that I actually analyze fundamentals in the market. There's a whole lot of ways, right? But I'll just give you a few hints. You shouldn't be expecting me to like speed out everything here. I shouldn't be telling you all my secret, right? Once you are on it, my Facebook, you just check, you know, right here the impact. The impact here that you can see high. So I'm only focused on the one that has high impact news. Those are the ones I focus on. In fact, if I even log into my account, let me see which one of the accounts now did I use. I don't know if it's this one. Nah, this is L. Only focus on high impact news. Okay, this is the account, right? So let me show you something. So you can see on this account now, when I log into my account, I only have this impact news because I filtered it on my account, right? So that's why you see only impact news. Anyone that is none, so that I can know when we are having um, bank holidays, independence, or any other holiday, right? So it will show none. So I can just keep updated, right? So now, you know, I focus on the high impact news. Then you click on it. Then I do, one or two stuffs here. I do one or two, check one or two stuffs here. You can actually check it, just check it. And these are the currency pairs that, can be impacted because of the news is on euro, and all the euro pairs have been highlighted here for you to see. And all these numbers, you can see percentage, volume, position, symbol, and whatever. You just check that as well, combining it with your technical analysis. Then you can go down to the sentimental analysis, which is this one here, right? This is the sentiment of this particular currency pair. So you just check the sentiment. If you know what is sentimental analysis in the forex trading, you should be able to know all these things, right? So check that, combining everything, and you're good to go. You can see this is the latest release, details, next release, and all of that, which is today. And it's going to be in the next 1 hour, 6 minutes, right? Consensus. You just have to combine all this data together, you know, to have clear understanding of, is euro going to be strong or is it going to be weak? So that's that one, guys. So no need for you to be like, just gamble the market or whatever. So that's that one basically. There's nothing much, nothing much, nothing much. So going back down to the, so we just have to wait for this news in the next few hours, right? So you all see GBP USD is trying to push down to the downside right now. You all see that. You all want to be making money, but you don't know how these things works. You don't know how these things works, right? You have to just chill and chill and chill and chill and chill. So 5 minutes away from London session. 5 minutes away from London session. So we are in profit already. We are in profit already. You all see this. So I think I have to shift this down to that point so we can see it on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah. Hope you all can see my screen though. And if you cannot see the screen, there is something you need to do on your phone. Let me shift this here. Okay. I think it's quite okay like this. So we can just be monitoring this trade. So yeah, like I said, let me go to the live. Once you are on your phone, if you cannot see this clearly, what you are going to be doing is this. Let me show you what you are going to be doing. I want to go to the live now on my phone. Okay. So this is the live stream, yeah. This is the live stream. You can see this, right? So what you are going to be doing is once you tap on the screen, you can see these settings here. You can see these settings. Um, you can see these settings. Click on it. So once you click on the settings, you will see quality. You can see quality right there. You see that quality? So click on the quality. Then what I'm going to be seeing next is high picture quality. You can see high picture quality right there. Just tap on that high picture quality. Then the picture and everything is going to be clear. It's going to be very, very clear. So with that, you should be able to be seeing whatever we are doing here and all of that. So it's so important for you to do that, for you to be seeing me. If you are actually watching maybe on your mobile device, even if you're not on mobile device actually, even if you are on your PC, you can as well do that. So yeah, that's that, guys. And there's no magic to forex trading. No magic. Even when we took 70 pips yesterday, we took it live and direct. I did the analysis, checked the NFP and everything, you know, before I executed that trade, and we end up taking 70 pips yesterday. So no magic to it. It's just pure knowledge. So just know what you're doing basically. Combining all this and all of that. Once you know them, you are good to go. You are good to go. And most importantly, stay calm, stay chill. Don't freak out. Don't trade with emotions. Don't trade with emotion. I know sometimes if you're winning, it can get to you and be like, you're a professional trader and all of that. But with one loss, you're winning, your winning trade, is gone, right? With one single loss. So it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like that. Keep it consistent and keep it going. That's the most important part of trading. If you're not consistent, you might win. You might make like $100,000 today. The next day you lose 200,000. So that's forex. So what we are preaching here is for you to like be consistent and keep doing what you know how to do the best. When you are winning, don't let it get into your head, and when you are losing, don't let it get into your head as well. Just stay calm, stay chill, and be doing whatever you know how to do the best. If you know how to do technical analysis, go ahead. Okay, somebody is saying thanks, but please just give us a hint on news analysis. I know you can't spill everything out, but I just gave you a hint. I just gave you a hint. That's enough for you, right? I just gave you a hint on how you can actually do it. So that's that. And of course, make sure you are giving this video a thumbs up, guys. And make sure you are sharing it. That is what brings us here. So if I come here now and it's only me that is talking, 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 of course I'm not going to come back tomorrow because I'm not providing any value to anybody, right? So that's that. So we have to like keep on sharing this and be letting some other users to be like, yo, there's a lot of things being shared here. You can actually check it out and all. So GBP right now is trying to push to the upside. But like I said, no need to panic. Oh, we are now in London session. Okay, this candle here is London session candle. So we will see what is going to happen. We will see what London session have for us. We will see what London session have for us. Like I said, the market might be slow today and stuff like that, but I'll keep on updating you guys whatever is happening, whatever, be it a loss, be it whatever, we'll still be there, man. So trading, 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 trading. If you are trading will teach you how to be calm. Trading will teach you how to be calm. For real. Oh, my friend is saying you want to enter with huge lot size and all of that. Like, really, it is what it is, man. Let's see what London session will have for us, guys. Of course, like I said earlier, the market is not going to be volatile today, but it should be decent. We should be able to catch even if it's 30, 40, 50 pips. Let's see. This is GU. So among these other currency pairs, GU is one of the best. If you want to be trading only currency pairs, GU is one of the best, guys. Even Euro USD that I sold the other day, I just saw an opportunity on it. So, I think I bought. Yeah, that was a buy actually, not even a sell. So let's see what is going to happen on this. And of course, if we see some break of structure, there's no any way to break out. We've already broken out of this, except when we come to this point here, then break out, continue to go up to this point, you know, then the market will change direction that way. But right now, it's supposed to be pushing down, to be honest. It's supposed to be pushing down. I didn't see anything to stop GU from pushing down. I haven't seen anything yet. But like I said, this is Forex. You cannot tell, you know, something might come from nowhere now and push the market. God forbid, during this Israel and Iran war, man, there was a lot of things happening, right? So whenever there is war, let me give you one thing, yeah. I think I mentioned this before. Whenever there is war in the market, whenever there is war in the world, be it US is involved, they are not involved, whatever. So far, Europe is involved, definitely. You will see that currencies like gold is going to be buying. Whenever there is conflict, gold is usually buying. That's one thing about gold. So if you are trading gold, you should be praying for conflict. Don't do that. Don't do that, please. Don't do that. War is not good, man. If you tested war, my goodness, I tested Boko Haram. So it's not something that you'll be like, pray for it and oh man, don't pray for war. War is not good. I've tested Boko Haram. If you know that, man, it was not funny. So for the past how many years, I left my village. I've not been to that place again. No, nothing. So I don't have village anymore. Right. So my village is Abuja. My house is Abuja. My everything is Abuja. Everything Abuja. Maybe when I travel to another country. But for now in Nigeria, you know, Abuja is my basement. So that is just it. So don't pray for war, please. We don't want war. The general who is in US say we don't want war. And if you want war with the United States of America, and there's something that I will tell you, so help me God, someone else will raise your sons and daughters. I was like, really? That very day I was watching it. Was it on CNN or Al Jazeera? I think either on CNN or Al Jazeera. I was watching it that day. I was like, really? I said, nah, not my son, not my daughter. So war is not good generally. War is not good. So we shouldn't pray for that, guys. We shouldn't pray for that. War is not good. Okay, Bright is saying good morning, ITT. Yeah, good morning, sir. Everybody is sad now, so good morning, everyone. So we are in this trade and we are about 7 pips in profit right now, 8 pips now. So yeah, eating again. So we are eating again. What is that? Let me check something out. So we are eating again. Just let me even do video, right? Let me do video to update people that we are live. Because it's very important. Yeah, what's up everyone? So right now we are live on YouTube trying to trade GBP USD. Let me show you all. This is GBP USD trade. You all are seeing it. We are in a sell at the moment, and I share this trade with everyone actually, basically. So we are in 6 pips in profit right now. We went 11 pips in profit, but this is trading, and definitely sometimes we see fluctuation in the market and all of that. So yeah, with that being said, make sure you come check us up on YouTube. So want to share the video, guys. Yep. Um. Okay. Who is in this trade actually? Let me know. Who is in this trade? And make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. If not, I'm not gonna go back live again. So just doing this for you guys. Can decide to trade on my own though. Like, let me just be and trade. But some of you guys, you know, want me to come here live and be trading with you guys. So I understand. You guys want to make money as well. Everybody wants to make money. Everybody want to make money. Mr. CBN, you are the CBN, man. We are coming for you. He said, I don't trade on Fridays. That's good. I trade even on weekend or even Saturday. I trade. There's nothing to be. We know that Fridays there's not much liquidity in the market, right? Because a whole lot of people are, taking away their money. They don't want to like trade on Fridays. This, and that. So, but me, man, I trade on Saturdays, even on Sundays sometimes. I'm married to the game, bro. So it's good to have discipline. Yeah, it's good to have discipline. If you don't trade on Friday, don't trade on Friday. So But me personally, this is what I do for a living, man. On weekend, I trade cryptocurrency. Not every weekend though. So if I'm available, but if I'm not available, I don't trade. So basically, if I'm available, I trade even on weekends, right? So yeah, but if you don't do it on Fridays, respect that, man. I mean, you trade too. Okay, that's cool. Let's keep holding and see what is happening. Let's keep holding and see what is happening. And again, if you are not yet in our premium membership, right? We are doing this offer for $200. So if you are not yet in, this is the right time for you to get in with $200, not $350 anymore. So you just jump in and see all my trades, any trade I'm taking, be it loss, be it in profit, you're going to be seeing it right on that channel. So this week I just gave you guys a free offer, coming live, sharing trade with you guys, doing this, doing that, and so on and so forth. So definitely you all took advantage of that. So if you want like exclusive trades, you need to join us right there. You need to join us right there. Oh, I said I wanted to share something um on TikTok. Okay, like I said, the market is not going to be volatile today. You all are seeing it right now. The market is just playing with us. The market is just playing with us. So let's see. Maybe in the next few minutes or few hours. All right. Come on, GU. You have to do this, man. Yeah, as I was saying, make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up, man. It's so important. It's so important, important. Who will teach me Spanish? I want to learn Spanish. Maybe by end of the year, I'll be in Spain. So I need to learn how to speak Spanish, man. All right. So we keep on monitoring this trade. We keep on monitoring this trade, and let's see. All right, all right, all right. Just imagine. I sent two trades since. Um, damn. He's just waking up. You are just waking up. Wow. And you are a trader. This is my friend. I don't know what's wrong with him. I used to help him with signals and all of that. He's trying to learn how to trade though. He's a friend of mine, and you know, just trying to like help him out in his trading journey and all of that to see how he can just become profitable and all. So that's what is happening. So like I said earlier, I'm just going to be monitoring this trade and going to see if I see any reactions here. and I will see if there will be reactions here as well. So let's see, man. I like what is happening right now, but we have to break out of this and close below it before the market is going to continue to push down. For now, still trying to monitor it. So we need a close below this structure here, below this zone. Okay, we are breaking out of it now. So we need a close below it so that we can continue to push down. Else, man, we might just see some sort of choppy market or ranging market. But for now, I'm still holding the trade and just, you know, just doing what I know how to do the best, guys. That is just it. Okay, let me listen to what this my friend is saying. um, I have to mute this. So I was trying to like tell him what to do. All these newbie traders. Sometimes they'll be like, "Hero, I'm losing $10. I'm losing 20." I'll be like, "Goodness, come on, small retracement." They'll be like, "Hero, please, I'm losing money." I'm like, "What?" So, well, I know that $5 is money, $6 is money, $10 is money, and all of that, right? But man, you shouldn't just see what is it called, drawdown, and you are freaking out. Trading. There's a lot of ups and downs in forex, so you don't just expect trade to just as soon as you get in, boom, push in profit. You know, you're not supposed to be seeing that. So definitely, there will be ups and downs. There will be retracements. There will be a whole lot of things actually. There will be a whole lot of things. How do I get access to you in Abuja, sir? You can get access to me in Abuja if only you book one on one. Else, nah. I only meet up with one on one students. I meet up with them. Somebody say I serve together with Mohammed, your friend in from Uni Abuja. He said he will link me up to you, but he didn't. Oh, Mohammed, that is official waste, right? Mohammed Harisu. If it's Mohammed Harisu, mm, that if you are, if Mohammed Harisu tells you that he can link you up with me, he's my best friend, so he can do that. We can link up together. So I don't know. I graduated from University of Abuja too. Yes, I graduated from University of Abuja. So, but right now we organize this one-on-one calls and all of that. So we are 12 pips in profit, guys. Man, Jeep. Oh my goodness. You say you are not trading on Friday? But we are trading on Friday and we are making money actually. But it's good. Me, I don't trade much on Mondays, not Fridays. It's Mondays. And that Monday, there's a whole lot of reasons that contribute to that. Number one being there won't be any there won't be any liquidity in the market because it's Monday. The market is just opening and all of that. So and again, it's not even all the sessions that will be open on Monday. Because just for example, um, when it's 8 a.m. UK time in US, that should be around. Okay, the market opens on Friday, on Sunday actually. So that's going to be 8 a.m. in UK. That's going to be around. Is it 3 o'clock? I think it's 6 hours difference or 5 hours thereabout. So that's going to be around 2 3 a.m. in US. Yeah, either 2 or 3 a.m. in US, right? Of which there's no liquidity. New York stock market is not open, or New York stock exchange is not open, right? Of which New York session, nothing is happening and all, so there won't be any much liquidity because it's going to be only London session that is open, so there won't be any much movement. So that's one of the reasons why I don't really like trading during um what is you call it now, on Mondays. That's one of the reasons it contribute to that. Let me post it on my story. Let me post that. So, man, you all have seen what Euro GBP is doing, right? How many people are we in profit right now? Let me check that. And today again, there was no drawdown, zero drawdown, guys. 15 pips in profit. So we have 15 pips in profit. So we will see what is going to happen, guys. We will see what is going to happen. So maybe this is 31 pips. Yeah. If the market comes to this point and if it continues to break down to the downside, then definitely we are going to be holding it. Else, I'm going to be monitoring you. I'm going to be monitoring the trade for you guys. Not monitoring you. I can't monitor you. I cannot monitor you, man. So that's that. Where is okay? Let me just go and check what you guys are saying now. I wait for the market to settle. Same as me. Yes, he's Mohammed Ari. So yeah, for sure. See, Mohammed is my best friend. Yeah, he's my guy. He was even here yesterday. He was live here yesterday. So if once he says he can link you up with me, no problem. If you know Mohammed, you know me though. Once you know official Wests, bruh, you know me. Cause literally, whenever I visit, wait, I don't want to disclose his location. I don't want to disclose his location right now. Whenever I visit the other side, I'm always with him. I used to be with him. So, but basically, before you see me meeting with you one on one nowadays, you know, you must be my one on one student. So once you are my one on one student, then definitely, I can decide to say, okay, let's link up and oh, that's that. And with that being said, we are still monitoring this trade, guys, and 12 pips in profit now. Let's see what is going to be happening. Yo, you are disclosing his location, man. Yeah, he lives in Gogolada. So that's that. So whenever time I'm in Guax, yeah. Whenever time you are in Guax, then I'm in Guax. Definitely, I usually used to be with him. So for quite some time now, I've not been to Guagualada. Let's see. We never have time actually. I used to be like, let me check my guys there and all of that. So yeah, the trade right now is trying to retrace back to this point. So let's see from here, we might see push to the downside again. So let's just see what is happening here, guys. Let's see what is going to be happening here. All right. So you just you just keep on monitoring the trade. That's all. Nothing much. Nothing much. Where is it? Let me see. Okay, it's 5 hours difference. Yeah, that's for sure. It lives in regular. Yeah, okay, okay, okay. I'm in profit. Yeah, we are in profit, all of us. You are in profit. We are in profit. All of us are in profit, right? We are in profit, guys. So it's not a big deal, man. It's not a big deal. We are in profit. We are in profit. So that is it. And we're going to be having Euro news in the next 33 minutes. So this Euro news, I'm not sure it's going to like do anything much or whatever. Let me let's see. Like I said, the market is going to be very slow today, so we might just keep on experiencing this kind of move for it to continue to push down. So that is just it. Don't be anything much happening in the market basically. But the best thing is, oh, where's my airport? I need to get it so I can know that you guys are getting what I'm saying. So I'm back here, of course, with my airport. I went to go get it. I want to be. Let me join the stream myself. Okay. Somebody's asking what time frame are you monitoring this trade? This one is just 5 minutes time frame, like I said. This one is 5 minutes time frame. You can see it. You can even see it here. So, but the analysis was not done in the 5 minutes time frame. This one, I'm just monitoring it in the sense that I just want to be seeing whatever that is happening right now and all. So the analysis was done on the 1 hour time frame. So that is just it. So yeah, like I said, if you are watching on your phone, you click once you tap on the screen, you see that settings. Yeah, you see these settings. Once you see these settings, tap on it, then uh, picture quality or quality, then you will see, just click on picture quality. Once you click on high picture quality, then definitely the quality is going to be clear, because I'm just seeing it on my phone right now and it's very clear, very, very clear. Man, let's just, this is what we are going to be experiencing on GBP USD today. The market is just going to be slow, and from here we might see push to the downside actually. And again, if you have any currency pair that you want me to check out for you, I can as well do that while we monitor this trade. So yeah, guys, we are still in this trade, and the market is pushing down, man. It's pushing down. So this is 16. You know what my friend just told me? He said he was still sleeping. That he's just waking up. That he did not actually take the trade. I was like, okay, that's not my fault. At least I've tried my best by sending you the trade I'm in and all. So for the fact that I shared the trade with you, that's it, man. So that's not that is just that's the best I can do actually. So you know, so we are still monitoring this trade. Let's see what is going to happen in the next 29 minutes. And remember, I said earlier we're going to be having this news on Euro. You know, in 28 minutes now. So maybe I might just wait for this news, then to see what is going to happen before we actually, call it a day and all of that. So in the meantime, let's keep on watching what is going to happen. So we are 15 pips in profit at the moment, guys. 15 pips in profit. So we still have, you know, few movement to go. We still have about 85 pips to go. But man, how do you see this trading? Like, let me show you all. This is what we call professional trading. See, guys, I sold here yesterday. I don't know if you guys can see that. See where I sold yesterday. See where I sold today. See where I sold today. See my sell point. See where I sold today. See where I sold yesterday. Down there. That's where I sold today and yesterday. So when you know what you are doing, right? You know, forex trading is going to be the best decision you might have made, because you're going to be making money. The people will start questioning you. Which kind of work you do? What do you do for a living? What this? What that? They might even report you. Oh, you guys don't even know. I was even arrested 2 times. Was it twice? No, 3 times. I was arrested 3 times. Allegations upon allegations and all of that. So, but when you are clean, man. So the arrest did not yield to anything. They just wasted their time and efforts. They thought we are into, you know what I mean. This is Nigeria for you. But unfortunately for them, we were not into anything other than trading forex. And your president now, he made everything legal. That is crypto though. Crypto was not legal, but now it's legal. So forex, even your CBN, they trade forex. So I saw one of them here, CBN FX. That's part of them, right? Okay, I saw one of them here. Let me even check. Yeah, I saw one of them here. This is Mr. CBNFX. Okay. It is what it is, man. All of us have different names here, right? So, mm, I might have another different account to trade gold. I might have different account to trade gold. So the market is just hovering within this structure. But man, let's see what is going to happen. We don't force it. We don't force it. We don't force it. Don't frustrate. A lot of people are crazy in this life, man. Okay, somebody saying please check XAUUSD, which is gold, right? Okay, trying to check that. All right. Okay, let's be seeing what is going to happen. Somebody asked for gold. Gold as well is going to be selling. Yeah, at the moment, gold is going to be selling at the moment, guys. Mm-hmm. You all remember I did analysis few days. Is it few days ago? There about on gold. So we might see movements from gold to the downside. Mm-hmm. Right now, gold might sell and continue selling to the downside to this price before we will see another push to the upside. Okay, we're making money right now. We're making money. We're making money. Okay, let me. Oh, I did not even share it on. All right. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing on gold, right? This way. That's what I'm seeing on gold. But today is Friday. If I were you, I will not even trade gold. If I were you, I will not trade gold, right? But if you want to be a stubborn trader, ignore everything and go ahead and continue trading it. Of which is not recommended though. It's not recommended to be a stubborn trader. It's not good because at the end of the day, you just end up messing with your emotions, and of which it will affect your psychology in the trading market. So it's not good for you to do that. Okay. So in the next 18 minutes, we are going to be having this news. 18 minutes more. Let's see. Okay, somebody saying, please, can we check gold for? Okay, I've checked that. Was prop firm the source of your profitability? Nah, prop firm was not. I didn't start getting money with prop firm and all of that. I think I shared it some time ago. Yeah, my breakthrough came in 2020, 2019 to 2020, basically. Let me even show you something on IC Market. IC Market was one of the broker I usually trade with, so they are still in the industry right now. Let me log in, log into my account. So my profitability started with IC Market when I withdrew $5,000 from here. When I withdrew $5,000, so okay, this is the account right now, and let me go down to wallet transaction history. Let me go to account first and see. That's going to be transaction history. Apply from custom. That's going to be 2020. Yeah, that was 2020. Let me just say July to December to December 31st. Let me just apply. Let me see. Withdrawal. This one's for deposit, and this deposit you see is not. This was the only approved one. You can see incomplete, 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 meaning it did not go through all those deposit you saw. incomplete, incomplete, incomplete. You saw them, right? Deposit, 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 incomplete, incomplete, incomplete. So the one that was approved was this $200. It was only $200, right? That one was approved. Let me go to second. Trying to look at for withdrawal. Where I withdrew. That was $5,000. Where was that basically? Where was that? Where was that? Okay, let me come here. What am I even doing? Search type. Okay, let me even click withdrawal. Because it's been long. I used this, right? Oh, I think was that to 2020? Let me go down to 2021 and see 31st. Let me see something. Let me just come to January 2021 to just extend things. Let me see. Because I knew I made the withdrawal by then. Okay, see it here. You can see the withdrawal. And I withdrew. Okay, this was just 37. This was the withdrawal. This was the withdrawal I made. You can see it here. Withdrawal. This was $5,000, right? So this was actually what changed everything. 2020. You can see it here. That was 2020. So this is when everything, begin to change. And before that, I was still making withdrawal 2019 though. 2018, 2019, I was still making withdrawals, but it wasn't actually that much. It wasn't that much, right? So that was 2018, 19, but the biggest withdrawal was that 2020, which was $5,000. So I think that was when I even got my Corolla. That was my first car, right? So I still have the car till today. I still have it. I'm not planning to change it yet. Because I don't like anything that I bought first. I don't really like selling it and all of that. So that car is with me here. So that's that one actually. Just wanted to answer your question. Somebody says, okay, thank you, sir. But can we trade gold at the moment? Nah. If you want to trade gold, you go ahead and trade it. But me personally, yeah, nah. I'm not. I'm not trading gold. So if you want to trade it, go ahead. Nobody is stopping you, man. Okay, it says he hit my stop loss yesterday. I want revenge today. Go ahead and revenge, man. So, but I want to tell you that your revenge trading is not good. Revenge trading is not good. It's not good. It's not good. So, but if you want to do it, go ahead. But generally, revenge trading is not good. It's not worth it. You might end up blowing your account after all. Whenever I have a stop loss hit, yeah, I don't do nothing. Instead, I'll even stay away from the market. Whenever I try revenge trading, I'll end up blowing my account. So that's not the way to go. Or I'll end up violating my challenge or funded whatever. So it's not good. It's not good to be doing that. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good, guys. You just have to know what you are doing basically. just have to know what you are doing. It's also important. So keep it up, man. Keep it up. Oh boy. Okay. Like I said earlier, the market is going to be slow, very, very slow. So we cannot push the market. Instead, we'll just be watching and seeing what is happening here and all of that. Because when you try to like get in, get out, get in, get out, it will not pay. It will not pay, guys. It will not pay at all. So the best thing for us to do is just to like watch and watch and watch and watch. Just make sure you are monitoring your trade though. Because if you are not monitoring your trade, man, it might move without you knowing. But if it's actually a swing trade, no need for you to be like checking your trade or doing anything. That is just it. But if you are scalping or day trading, definitely you need to be checking your trade and monitor it day in, day out. It's very good like that. So, all right, still monitoring this. Man, the market is just misbehaving, 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 misbehaving. Somebody said, "Do you still get emotional trading forex after your 8 years experience?" Nah, I'm not saying I get emotional. I was just referring to maybe those of you um, that are still revenge trading and all of that. If you check, see how calm I am. Like just be trading. If you are following me throughout this week, I've been live streaming, right? So you will see how calm I am when I'm in trade. When my trade hits stop loss and all of that. Though this week we've not actually had any stop loss hit, no stop loss hit this week. So it took about four trade. These are our fourth trade, yes. So far so good, no stop loss hit this week. So be it take profit, be it stop loss, I'm still calm. Of course, 8 years is not a joke, man. It's not a joke. So I should be able to like tell you this is how the market is, this is how to do it and all of that. So after 8 year, I don't actually get emotional like that. So that's it, man. That's it. Just waiting and see what is going on here on this. All right. Okay, this is gold. Gold is trying to push up, 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 up. So we are seeing another candlestick pattern formations here on GBP USD still. We'll see. Just waiting and see. So we're going to be having Euro news in the next 4 minutes. Yeah. No news from here. My FX book. No news from here as well. So let me close this tab. And if you want to if you want to continue learning, you can go down to our YouTube channel. Check all the videos I have there and so on and so forth. So that is just it. So guys, after this news, we might call it a day in the sense that I need to go and do other things as well. So you know, I'll be monitoring the trade and so on and so forth. So if you are not yet in our um, free public telegram or channel, you need to be there. Or if you're not following me on YouTube, I mean on Instagram, you need to do that because I'll be updating all the trade and so on right there. If it's trade closure, take profit, partial take profit, and all of that, I'm going to be updating it right there. So make sure you do to follow us. Yeah, all the links are down in the description. All the links are down on in the description. Or let me share the Telegram link with you guys. Either the Telegram or Instagram. Let me share it right here. Instagram.com/. Israel is the trader. So just do to follow us on Instagram. That's it. And make sure you are giving this video a thumbs up, guys. Share it again with your friends and family. They might find something helpful here, and and just to enhance their forex journey, their knowledge in the forex journey and all of that. Mm. So yeah, still here. I think the news should be in few seconds. The news supposed to be in few seconds. 21 seconds, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So this news, I don't think it will even move the market like that. It will not even move anything. So we had news on that. So it will not even move the market. So yeah. In the meantime, I'm still holding my GBP USD trade. So whatever happens. So we are 20 pips in profit right now. 20 pips and 20 pips is still okay, right? 20 pips is okay. So guys, I think it will be a high time for me to, yeah. With that being said, guys, thank you for each and every one of you that tuned in today. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be updating you guys on our social handles. And do have a great weekend and enjoy your day, man.